We are gathered here today so that we can talk about and provide support for our students regarding a very serious issue, fentanyl overdose.
Each week, the equivalent of a classroom of students dies of overdoses across this country. And most of the young victims ingest fentanyl accidentally and unknowingly, thinking they are taking something much less dangerous. The new drug dealer is a smartphone. Children, teens, and young adults can get pills delivered to them via social media as easily as ordering an Uber. They may be seeking out what they think are real medications for anxiety or other mental health struggles, and some may be experimenting for fun. But these are not legitimate medications. Pills obtained from the internet or social media contain fentanyl, and they're deadly. Fentanyl is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. It's impossible to know which pills will be deadly, and pills in the same batch can have varying degrees of fentanyl in them. Like the amount of chips can differ in each cookie in a batch of chocolate chip cookies.
Thank you, and thanks everyone for joining us as we raise awareness about one of the biggest health threats facing our nation today. Many of us have heard about the dangers of fentanyl. The doctor explained it very well, and the toll it's taking in communities around the country. Too many families have experienced the deepest pain after losing a loved one to this horrible drug.
Hello, everybody. As you see, I'm dressed to go into the shift in the emergency department, and I'm mentally preparing for what's going to face me. And it's going to be a battlefield. A battlefield, not of bullet wounds, but emergency bay full of drugs, overdoses, and mental health crises. The DEA says one pill can kill, one experiment, one mistake can be the last. It's not fair, but fentanyl is unforgiving.
There's so many wonderful things to say about our son Kai. He was popular, athletic, handsome, funny, and active in the community, always helping neighbors and others. Everyone knew who he was and enjoyed having him with them. Kai was an amazing older sibling. He was a great example of a young man to his sister and an inspiration and role model to his two younger brothers. As a family, we're extremely close. We talk about things regularly, and we're involved in his and all of our children's life more than most parents. We talked about the dangers of drugs and alcohol, and even discussed what we knew about fentanyl, how you were hearing more about it, and to be cautious. He was 6 weeks out of high school and 6 weeks till he was going to be starting college, and someone lied to him and took his life with a counterfeit pill laced with fentanyl.